Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make website and publish on Google as a complete beginner. The first thing you want to do once on Google, you're going to simply tap on the search bar and I want you to type in Sites Google. So let's do that real quick. Then you'll tap on enter. After doing that, you're going to select the first option. So you're going to tap on the first option, and at the top navigation bar you can see the different templates that they provide. So for example, you could tap on template gallery and you can see the different options right here. So you could select any one of these templates. So let's say for example the portfolio option. After you have selected a template or blank, you will be redirected to a new page. And when it comes on to Google Sites, it is quite basic and easy to use. So for example's sake, you can tap on the header section and you can tap on add header. After you have done that, you can see right here, I could type in whatever I want. So for example, I'll type in simple answers. You can also tap right where you see image, and from there you could upload a background image if you want. Or you could change the header type by tap on header type. You could select title only, large banner, or you could select cover. You can also add in a logo or name in the top left hand corner. And by the way, if you were to tap on the circle right here in the left hand or right hand corner, better yet, from there you can change the font style and you can also change the color of the banner. Now that I've shown you how to edit the banner, let's scroll down and continue editing the other pages. So from here you could fill in the information that you would like to add on the first page. You could also tap on the current image and you could select to upload your own image. So for example, if I were to select this image, I could tap on the three dots right here and then select replace image and we could upload our own image. If you would like to insert anything on your Google Sites, you could tap on insert from the top right hand corner. From there you can also choose to insert images, text box, embed code, or anything from Google Drive. And by scrolling down you can see the different content blocks that you can also add. So for example's sake, if it is a case that you would like to add two images with text, you can do that by dragging and placing it, as you can see right there. It is as easy as that. And by scrolling down you can see the other features. You can also add a collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, button, and so much more. And since this is a Google website, you will also get access to other Google platforms. For example's sake, you can quickly add YouTube videos, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, or Google Forms or charts. So this is one of the major advantages of making a website on Google site. And it is quite easy to edit, as I've stated earlier. Now to add pages to your website, you will tap on pages in the top right hand corner. At the moment, the website has 3 pages. If we would like to add a page, we will hover over the plus in the bottom right hand corner. From there, you can choose to add a new page. You can either choose to add a new link or you can do a full page embed, as you can see right there. So these are the different options that you are provided with. If you would like to change the theme, you can tap on themes in the top right hand corner. From there, you can use their color theme and you can use the different fonts, or you can choose to create your own. Once you're finished creating your website, you will tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you can type in the section that you would like to be added or the text that you would like to be added to your free URL. So you can type it in right there, and once it is available, you will see a green tick or a blue tick, better yet. Then you will tap on publish. After you have selected publish, you can tap on view, and this is our free website that we have created on Google. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, you can leave it in the comment section, and thanks for watching.